Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Biyamono humurikito Job Maangi kurwase county ya Nyamira asorobotirwa senchira yobo ekirano gotigara bwo kanyara kumurekera mangana rengete SME aigase county ya Kisii abarayiba basai nigo babiri bagotarira cy'isukuru anasoko nyara kogokera matemu abakagosoka n'isukuru kirici abacigo kuri biya abarayabo bakora wana Duke Maingo manyekante buna echate nabo igona ulda mumanye nigase tukolia rabatare sukuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho omurikito ndemo Steven ekaranse semeyo na gutwariganira roboti rokubwatia
amachibwa KCS yagatechi skuru korora gongo rwa Gusii asokiwe wiki yaeta nigagokia bange rero ase skuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho yalikie minsko ya 12 nigo yatarerwa na gati y'abarayiba basaye bakora una hulda mumanyi amona Duke Mainge chate abwo batatango mochengo basobokorerio buya bwabahorokia ba Cardinal.
So we thought, why don't we start in Kisii, Rende? This is home to Echaterende. I couldn't say no. Then we were like, let's come here and show our profound appreciation for what you guys are doing. Okay, this is not a small feat.
Gusii matuagokire mono totenga abane batogoki bakore mirimo buya lakini ntunyoletinga abasacha mbarororo na our sisters konye batari korara bakubuka mambye nande barara late kuhakikisha ngabana baiga barosi bubabira abantu ono etuachiche kubatenga mbuya mono na kubate bintu banchite na kubaumuke kubatebinga kamuranche mugendere ne bidie yeiga egere tusuguma abana baitu Gusii mabagende bosyo.
On behalf of the principal, I want to say that it took the commitment of every one of us here, all the teachers, the support staff, the students. The level of discipline was exemplary, and that is why they were nicknamed the pace setters. And true to the word, they have set the pace for the rest of the students.
Abahorokia bwo mbagokero muroberio yuorero asebate bamachibwa mayali kiwa na matunda yokobwaterana.
Biyamono mwensi asogoja Cardinal gotwakera ngambu yamono asengenje abana bakora buya naende nyasaye gatobwate sie chatasemo gotacha bunyakogoroka mwana musubat from Minnesota. We really appreciate your coming and everything that you have done here this afternoon.
Abantu nibo basabiru mbaye begasi y'abalimu asokora abahorokigu asaba Gusii batogigu ko babantu bomoki.
And by the way, when we've been performing. It's just that it's now a part of a national discussion about how our Gusii are thriving. Not only here in Kenya, we are also thriving in America, in Europe.
Kikwaro iro mwarimu okorete gasingia mugure no eno muzipara aigunga gakia bantu mbanginyorete uzono waminde warimu waminde ba okore gasingia tuatenga abana betire tuabeba mugure no ena macharo ngaya bantu bamintu mbaruchi ngokora turi gasingia.
Omurobiri oyo nigo raranda segate cy'isukuru cyasukia machiba bobosyo korwe county ya Kisii neri ya Nyamira.
Ane mburiye kethogocha konyakoyeria nyasato bwate sia karamebu ya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.